how gold has stood the test of time. Gold has been around for thousands of years, long before paper money or the stock market even existed. It's been used as currency, a store of wealth, and a symbol of stability across every civilization. While economies have collapsed and currencies have lost their value, gold has always remained valuable. That's why smart investors trust gold as a long-term asset for their retirement. With a gold IRA, you can secure your future with one of the oldest, most reliable investments in history. Want to know how it works? Visit the link below the video or goldforthefuture.com to learn more now. Get your free gold guide now from one of our top recommended companies, Birch Gold Group, by clicking the link below the video or by going to goldforthefuture.com now. Why Birch Gold? With a long history and a top reputation in the industry of helping people diversify into precious metals, Birch Gold Group is one of our top picks, offering a low $10,000 minimum investment, secure storage, and excellent customer service. Get more information right away and get started on your precious metals investment journey.